Hi, boys and girls in 2T. This week we are celebrating as we get ready for Memorial Day weekend and Memorial Day, which is next Monday. So today we'll be making a yummy red, white, and blue cake. Now the ingredients we need to make our red, white, and blue cake is fresh strawberries and blueberries. Of course, Miss Emilia rinsed them. So here they are rinsed and sliced. A can of Ready Whip, Cool Whip, and a pound cake or an angel food cake. So the next thing you're going to do is slice your pound cake horizontally into 3 parts so that we have enough parts to make our layers, which is going to look like this. Our next step and our final step is you're going to layer your whipped cream on the bottom layer. So you would just spray it all over. Then you're going to add your blueberries on top once you have the whipped cream down. Okay, so you do that. Then you're going to add your next layer on top of that. The same thing, you'll spread your Cool Whip on there. And then you're going to add your sliced delicious strawberries. So they're gonna go on top. The last step is the top, which you will do another layer of Cool Whip. And on that layer, you can add both your strawberries and your blueberries. And you're gonna come out with a delicious cake that looks like this. You're gonna make it as soon as you're ready to eat it, you're gonna make it then, so it's nice and fresh. And there's our red, white, and blue cake. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wanna see pictures of you making that with Mommy and Daddy. Make sure you wash your hands before you start to cook, okay? Bye, everyone.